how we have our version of a little bit of a rapid fire?
Oh gosh, I hate rapid fire.
I know, but this is not quite so. It's not quite as clever as the ones you are used to. It's more what we call like a getting to know you sort of one. All right. So if you had to give up good food, great couture, or great works of literature, which would you choose?
I've trained myself to eat simply.
Right.
And I can give up. Clothes is just a hobby.
It's fun.
But reading is essential to my soul. I don't think I will ever give that up.
All right. Because you've had such spectacular turns on the canned red carpet, if you had just one left, who would you go for? Would you go for Jean-Paul Gaultier? Would you go for Ralph and Russo or Abu Sandeep?
I would go for Abu Sandeep.
Yeah.
Because it's India. You know, it's Indian. You want to represent your country.
Right.
Yeah.
Who are you closer to, Swara or Jacqueline?
I can't do that. But, you know, honestly, I love Jackie to death. But Swara is my behen, you know, she's my sister.
Right.
But I can't do that. I can't choose like that.
3 things that are covered in those 3 a.m. phone calls.
3 things that are covered in the 3 a.m. I'm asleep. At 10:30, I'm passed out.
So then the
and if
10
anybody calls me at 3 a.m., they're murdered.
Really? But if you're having, the latest night or the equivalent of a 3 a.m., what are some of the things you catch up about, you talk about?
Well, I'm usually hanging out with my sister. For me is late at night, like 12 p.m. is like, 12 a.m. is the cutoff time, I'm sorry. What do I talk about? We go through social media and we like look at what everybody's doing, what everybody's wearing. We watch like Stephen Colbert and Saturday Night Live. You know, we watch like all these American like chat shows, Ellen and stuff. We're laughing together.
Okay, so then it's not in the list, but it got to be asked. What do you make of the whole Trump saga that's playing out?
You know, it's very strange. I was in England when Brexit happened, and when Trump won, I was in LA.
Oh no.
I was like, am I the bringer of bad luck?
No more flying.
No more flying. But I also campaigned for Hillary Clinton when I was I was campaigning because obviously the South Asian community and the Arab community, the Middle East community is so large in the US, and I campaigned for her. And the one thing I didn't understand was why was the campaigning about her being a woman? It should have been that she is the best person for the job, not the fact that she is the first woman to be president. I understand why, but obviously I'm an Indian. We've had so many female leaders with so much power. I mean, obviously, the former ruling party, the leader was a woman. You know, she might have not been the prime minister of our country, but she was
a woman.
She was a woman, and she was a puppeteer, apparently. What I'm trying to say is that I couldn't understand that, but Donald Trump, I believe everything that is wrong in this world started with reality TV, and Donald Trump is one of them.
Amen. Yeah. Yes, I would agree entirely. All right. What, according to you, is Anil Kapoor's best work?
According to me, is Dad's best work.
Yeah. His favorite, or a favorite?
I mean, you know, I think he just gets better with age. So I think Dil Dhadakne Do was amazing.
What about his worst?
His worst? I think it was like weird films in the early 90s.
Right.
Which even he is not proud of, and he doesn't let us see.
You've not seen them?
No.
Anil Kapoor in Bollywood, Anil Kapoor in Hollywood?
I think the world has become so small right now. I don't think there's Hollywood, Bollywood, Dollywood, Dollywood.
Sonam Kapoor in Bollywood or Sonam Kapoor in Hollywood?
I don't know. Sonam Kapoor on the red carpet. If anybody says anything, I like to make fun of myself. Self-deprecating humor is the best.
It is the best.
I think Sonam Kapoor always in the Indian film industry because I get roles that are written for me. So till I would never choose to do something that I would not do over here.
Right.
Because that is not what attracts me to films. I think I've said this from the beginning of my career. It doesn't matter what language the film is in, as long as the role inspires me and makes me grow as an artist. I didn't become an actor to be famous.
Right. You make it. Yeah.
I mean, you know, I could be, if I wanted to just be famous, I would be an Instagram star.